New report shows that Google is aiming to use TSMC's 2nm process for the Tensor G6 in the Pixel 11 series, which is expected in 2026. If that timeline holds, Google will be the first to use out of the gate 2nm chipset, beating out rivals usually in the lead for chipset development. Google's Tensor chips usually leaned on Samsung Exynos designs since the beginning. The original Tensor was essentially a modified Exynos 2100 that ran on 5nm Samsung processor. Even the Tensor G2 and G3 follow through with similar design and process nodes. Google only caught up with 4nm with the G3 while others are already moved on. The Tensor G5 expected this year marks the first shift. It will be built by TSMC and it's Google's first fully custom designed chip, reaching Exynos as a base. It will also use 3nm process, finally bringing Google up to the speed with the rest of the field. Analysts Dan reports that Google is preparing to use TSMC's 2nm processor for Tensor G6. This will make it the first chip to use it. Apple, Qualcomm, MediaTek are all planning to use 2nm chips in 2026. Most of them are not expected to arrive later that year, while Qualcomm is rumored to stick for 3nm for the first batch of Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 3 chipset.